Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, P0507, indicates that the idle control system, RPM, is notably higher than expected in a Honda Pilot, manufactured between 2016 and 2022. This code points towards an issue in the vehicle's engine management system, which is primarily controlled by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Programmed Fuel Injection, PGM-FI. The idle speed is crucial for the engine to run smoothly when the vehicle is at rest. When the idle is too high, it can cause various operational issues, such as increased fuel consumption and potentially hinder performance. Diagnosing this code requires a careful examination of multiple components involved in the idle control process. The vehicle sensors and actuators must work harmoniously to maintain the correct idle speed, and any discrepancies can trigger the P0507 code. Understanding the components involved is essential for effective troubleshooting. The P0507 code specifically pertains to issues within the idle control system that results in an unexpectedly high RPM. This system includes several critical parts, notably the throttle body, idle air control valve, IAC, and the engine control module, ECM. The throttle body regulates the air entering the engine, while the IAC is responsible for maintaining the idle speed by controlling the amount of air that bypasses the throttle plate. The ECM interprets signals from various sensors and adjusts engine operation to maintain stability. These components are typically situated near the engine's intake manifold, making them accessible for inspection. If any of these components are malfunctioning or subjected to external issues such as vacuum leaks, they can contribute to the abnormal RPM detection indicated by the P0507 code. Diagnosing the P0507 code involves considering several potential causes. One common issue is vacuum leaks, which can occur in various locations, such as the throttle body gasket or the hoses connected to the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV system. A faulty PCV valve may not regulate air pressure correctly, leading to an elevated idle. Additionally, any defects in the throttle body itself, such as dirt buildup or mechanical failure, can impact its ability to regulate airflow effectively. Mismanagement in the air intake system, including blocked intake hoses or damaged gaskets, may contribute to the symptoms observed. Each of these components plays a vital role in controlling the proper air-fuel mixture, and consequently, the engine's idle speed. Symptoms associated with the P507 code typically include a higher than normal idle speed, which can be particularly noticeable when the vehicle is stationary. This abnormal idle can lead to unstable engine performance, making the vehicle difficult to control during low-speed maneuvers. In addition, a consistently high idle can adversely impact fuel economy, driving up operating costs. Drivers may also notice warning lights, such as the check engine light, illuminating on the dashboard, signaling the need for diagnostic attention. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further complications and ensure the longevity of the vehicle's engine and related systems. It's essential to address these signs promptly to maintain optimal vehicle performance. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0507 involves verifying the problem through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers up the system without starting the engine. Next, clear the DTC using the HDS to reset the system and prepare for a fresh diagnostic session. Start the engine and hold the RPM steady at 3,000 without a load in either the park, P, or neutral N positions. It's crucial to monitor the engine during this period until the radiator fan activates, additionally allowing the engine to idle for a minimum of 20 seconds afterward. After this procedure, check the OBD status for the P0507 code again using the HDS. This process helps establish whether the failure can be duplicated under controlled conditions, guiding further diagnostic steps. The second step in troubleshooting the P0507 code involves thoroughly checking for vacuum leaks, which can significantly impact the idle control system's functionality. Start by turning the vehicle off to ensure safety while inspecting components. Focus on critical areas, such as the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, the PCV hose, the evap canister purge valve, the throttle body, and the intake manifold. Each of these components must be examined for signs of leaks that could disrupt the air-fuel mixture necessary for proper engine operation. If any leaks are detected, repairs or replacements of the affected parts should be performed immediately to restore functionality. If no leaks are found, recheck under different load conditions, such as turning on the headlights or blower motor, or changing the gear position. These adjustments may help in revealing intermittent faults that can affect the idle speed. Once all potential issues have been addressed, it is vital to perform final repair verification to ensure that the P0507 code has been effectively resolved. Begin by confirming that all repairs have been successfully completed, including fixing any vacuum leaks or replacing faulty components. It's essential to conduct a test drive under varied conditions to observe the engine's behavior in real-world scenarios. Pay close attention to the idle speed during stops and starts to ensure it remains stable. After the test drive, reconnect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any stored DTCs. If the P0507 code does not reappear, you've successfully resolved the issue. Should the code return, further investigation into the reclaiming system and idle control components may be necessary. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in minimizing the occurrence of the P0507 code and maintaining optimal vehicle performance. Regular inspections of the idle control system components, such as the throttle body and PCV valve, can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Routine cleaning of the throttle body is crucial. Carbon buildup can hinder proper airflow and lead to abnormal idle speeds. It's also important to replace the PCV valve periodically, as a failing valve can disrupt engine ventilation, thereby causing erratic idling. Furthermore, keeping the intake system clean and free from debris contributes to improving air-fuel mixture stability. Implementing these preventive measures fosters engine longevity and enhances general driving comfort. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0507 and its implications is vital for any Honda Pilot owner from 2016 to 2022. Recognizing the symptoms, such as higher than normal idle speeds and unstable engine performance, helps diagnose this issue promptly. The potential causes, including vacuum leaks and faulty components, must be thoroughly evaluated to ensure effective repairs are made. Following the step-by-step troubleshooting approach aids in isolating the problem and confirming successful resolution. Preventive maintenance, such as regular inspections and cleaning of key components, will help avert future occurrences of the P0507 code. Ultimately, being proactive in vehicle care reinforces reliability and enhances the overall driver experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.